B crew, Mona B here. So today I'm back with another hair video. So before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel that is Life as Mona B. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys will go over there and subscribe and support me, because I'm going to be on that channel a lot in 2019. So head over there and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at MonaX. So today we are doing a video of Dollar Tree products. Now, if you guys don't remember, a while ago I did the Shea Solutions product line from Dollar Tree. It will be linked in the description box of the video. You guys really love that video. I did the curl stretch cream and all of that, and I really like that product line from them. Now when I went there, that was a while ago when I did that video, they have this brand Lusti at the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure y'all have already seen this and everything like that. So I got some products from that line, so we are going to be reviewing those today. So the products all were $1, obviously, because they came from Dollar Tree. This line offers a leave-in conditioner, and I bought that. When I did the Shea Solutions, I believe I bought the leave-in conditioner, and a lot of y'all was like, oh my gosh, I don't like that leave-in conditioner. It dried my hair out and all this other stuff, and I tried it, and I remember not liking it. I can't remember what I said about it because I can't remember what video. When you done a lot of videos, you forget a lot of things. I can't remember, but I know I didn't like it, and I ended up using it on my wigs. So I don't have it anymore, but I was like, I'm not even going to fool with it. I didn't know they had all these extra products. I didn't know that. And I've never watched a YouTube video on this. I just was in Dollar Tree and saw it. So I don't know what this claims to do. I don't know anything about it. So we're going to test it out today. So first up, I have the Lusty Olive Oil Hair Mayonnaise. And it just looks like this. And so it says, because I do need to deep condition in my hair. I just washed out that temporary hair dye. So if you've not checked out that video, make sure you guys go ahead and check those videos out. So it says Lusty Oil Hair Mayonnaise formulated with botanicals and cholesterol to condition, moisturize, strengthen damaged over processed hair. It rejuvenates fragile hair by increasing elasticity. Excuse me, y'all. That word always gets me. Manageable in Sheen. After shampooing towel dry hair, gently apply an ample amount of the Lusty Oil Hair Mayonnaise into the palm and spreads evenly from root to tip. Massage hair and scalp for even distribution. For extra conditioning, cover hair in a warm towel or with a plastic cap for 10 minutes. Rinse hair thoroughly with warm water and proceed further with style. So basically this claims to help damage hair and all of that stuff. Now my hair isn't damaged, but I do have some color still left on my hair. So I figured this would be great for me. So I'm just going to take my comb and kind of pick out my hair. Now my hair is still pretty damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and add in this hair mayonnaise or whatever. So I believe this line has another, I think it has like a deep conditioner, but I saw the hair mayonnaise, so I was like, I'm going to go ahead and try that. This is what it looks like. So it's like an off-white type of color. And it smells just like that leave-in conditioner. It honestly smells like the Queen Helen, kind of smells like the Queen Helen cholesterol, kind of. This is the consistency of it. So it's not watery, as you guys can see, and it's not super thick. It's like a medium. It's like in the middle. So that's nice. It feels really nice and silky on the hands. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and you get about 8 ounces. So I don't know if you have longer hair than mine, you may need to buy 2 of these. Right off the bat, it does feel really nice on the hair. It does have great slip. I might end up using this whole one. So if you got longer hair than me, you're going to have to use about 3 of these. Honestly. So yes, y'all, my hair needs a good deep condition. And I probably would leave this on longer than 10 minutes. And I am heavy-handed because I know somebody's going to say, why you use so much? You don't need that much. Y'all, I like to use a lot, okay? When you're natural, if you, y'all know what I mean. You need to get up in there with it. Because if you don't, then you won't get the results that you want. It feels nice on the hair though, y'all. And my hair is too short to be trying to rake it through each section. I don't like doing that anyways, I'm gonna be honest. So that's why I just normally slather it on. It does feel really lightweight on my hair. Like, it's not like heavy. Like, my head doesn't feel like weight down. I will say this, it is definitely hair mayonnaise, because I don't know if y'all know if you've never used hair mayonnaise, but hair mayonnaise gets oily on your hair. Like, it starts to feel oily, and it is definitely doing that. This is, excuse the loose hair, my hair be shedding. But so this is how much I use. So as you guys can see, I probably get one more use out of it. So for my short hair, I would probably get 2 uses out of this, and that will be it, which is not bad. I mean, it was only $1. It's $1.50 right now, so I'll probably leave it on to like $2.30. Ingredient in this is water. So basically, I'm just gonna leave my little cap on. So I'll be back. 2:30, like I told y'all that I will be back at 2:30. So I just wanted to show y'all my hair. My cap heated up my hair, and this is what it's looking like. Style my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. I don't know, for some reason, it made my scalp tingle. I'm trying to see what's in here. I don't see nothing in here that will make your scalp tingle, but it kind of made my, or maybe I just don't know. So my hair is soft, which I really like. So the product definitely does work. Look, my hair is easy to, you know, detangle and everything like that. Now, it didn't wow me. Like, it didn't give me a wowing factor. But it's not bad. Like, it works. Like, my hair is nice and moisturized. My hair feels super fluffy. It feels good for the price that it definitely works. My afro feels amazing. It feels really soft. Just use some leave-in conditioner I like, but I'm not going to use too much. I'm just going to use about this much. Okay, so moving right along to the Lusty Olive Oil Hair Sheen. So this is what it looks like. I really thought that this was just like an oil sheen that you spray on your hair after you style your hair and you just want your hair to have some luster. But the directions actually say, after shampooing, towel dry, spray a significant amount of the Lusty Olive Oil Hair Sheen on damp hair for styling. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from hair and spray with short, even bursts. Respray if necessary for additional hold. For daily maintenance of hair, use Lusti products. So that's really interesting to me. It says that it is designed for healing properties of olive oil and herbal blend to nourish hair roots. It conditions dry, brittle, chemically treated, colored hair. It rejuvenates fragile hair and adds body and sheen. It smooths cuticles and makes it soft, strong, soft, and shiny while eliminating itch. So y'all know how I feel about my scalp. So anyway, so what we're going to do is go ahead and jump into the Lusty Argan Oil Curl Wave Twist Shaping Gel. And it just looks like this. Lusty Argan Oil Curl Wave Twisting Gel provides firm hold, dries fast, is non-flaky, and helps control frizzy hair and flyaways. Apply an amount of the Lusty's Oil Twist Shaping Gel onto hair. Comb through even for distribution, style as desired. Here's the gel in my hand. It doesn't feel like anything out of the ordinary. You know what it feels like? It feels like the Ampro olive oil gel. That's what it feels like. Now, gels are not my favorite product to twist my hair with. It's not my go-to. I prefer creams. But I'm going to test this out today. I just want to see what's going on. I mean, it's only $1. Of course, I want to see what's going on with it. It doesn't feel like anything out of the ordinary on my hair, y'all. It feels like gel. I'm using a rat tail comb, a little one, because my hair is short right now. The longer my hair gets, I won't be able to use a rat tail comb because it's just damaging to your hair when your hair is longer. But, well, while my hair is short, it's fine. It's fine because my hair is detangled. Now, I wouldn't recommend just going in with a rat tail comb if your hair is not detangled. Make sure your hair is detangled if your hair is my length. But if your hair is longer than mine, don't be using no rat tail comb, okay? Like, just don't. This is my hair after twisting my hair with the gel. So, my hair isn't dry, but my first impression is I think it's pretty cool. like some of them are dry on this side. It doesn't feel crunchy. It's a soft hold. I'm just going to use my castor oil all over my scalp, my trusty castor oil, and then I'll just spray that on my hair tomorrow, because I'm sure my hair is going to be dull, because gel makes your hair completely dull. Hey, so it's 2 days later. I gotta start with the 2 days later. So yeah, I had these twists in for 2 days. So y'all know I use the Lusty Argan Oil Curl Wave Twist Shaping Gel. So that's what I use. And this is just what my hair is looking like. So my twist, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, they feel a little dry. Like, and normally when I leave twists in my hair and I use like a cream or something, they're still moist. These twists feel dry as the desert. I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. These twists feel so dry. But you know what? We still gonna roll with it. So I'm just gonna take some of my OMG oil on my fingertips and take all these twists out. My hair is so dry, y'all. Now my scalp is not dry because I did castor oil on. Y'all, this gel got my hair dry. Now Lusty, I hate to do y'all like that. Y'all wrong for this. This is the most drying gel I think I've ever used. And I've used a lot of gels, and I've used some drying gels before. But this right here, this is dry. Like, my hair is desert dry. Like, I almost want to just go wash my hair out. But I will say this. It gives great definition. Great definition. Do y'all see the definition on my head? Let me, do y'all see the definition it gave me? Y'all need to figure that out. And I got a few little flakes on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is flaking my hair a little bit. Ooh. Let me zoom. Y'all see the flakes? If you get this gel, I would recommend you to put oil on your hair first, because honey, it's dry and it flaked on my head. So I'm not too fond of that. Now I always miss a few twists, so if y'all see me unravel them as I'm picking out my hair, that's what I'm doing. But y'all, it's dry and it's flaking bad, especially as I'm picking out my hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, I got the flakes. I'm rocking with that now. I'm not gonna be able to use that because I cannot be walking around with a flaked fro. Like, I absolutely cannot stand that. But it does give definition. I gotta give it that. But it's dry and it gives you flakes. Well, it gave me flakes, okay? I don't know about anybody else that have tried it. If you tried these products, let me know in the comments. Y'all know I give honest reviews here. Mind y'all, I didn't put but a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my head. Not enough for it to interfere with the gel. I done pretty much picked my hair out. It's flaky anyway. Didn't get a chance to use the olive oil Hairshame because I didn't want to put it on my scalp. I said I would just spray it on my hair, so maybe it'll give me some sheen or whatever, because it said you can use it daily. Like I told you guys, it says after shampooing, towel dry and spray a significant amount of Lusty's oil Hairshame on damp or dry hair for styling. So you can't put it on dry hair. So I'm gonna see. It is on the watery side. I don't know if y'all be able to tell. Let me see. It is on the watery side. And it really doesn't feel oily to me. It feels like water. No, the smell isn't bad. Now on the hair, it feels oily. I just feel like it's just gonna shrink my hair. Like, it is a little bit oily, but it's not oily like an oil sheen. Like, for instance, like this pink oil sheen. Y'all see the sheen on that? That's not oil sheen. I just think that's water mixed with a little bit of oil. So this is a no for me. Maybe if I was just like needed to refresh my hair, like say for instance, like if I felt like my hair was like it just needed some water or something to move it around, I could use this, but not for no sheen. Yeah, I don't really feel like, I don't like the way it feels on my hair, so that's a fail. So the Lusty brand also has a shea butter edge gel. So it looks like this. You get 2.4 ounces. And this is how it looks. Let's open it up. And it looks like this on the inside. So it does look like an edge control. Let me touch it. Let's touch it. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the hand. So it does give me the texture and the feel of a edge control. Let's put some of it on. It feels very lightweight. But you know what? I like it. It's smooth, guys. It's really smooth on the edges. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow, it feels really nice, y'all. It's not real stiff and hard to where you can't move your edges around. Oh, okay, Lusty. Okay, y'all saved face with this one now. Y'all might have saved face with this. Okay, now I will buy this again right off the bat. Now, y'all know I'm going to test it out for y'all. It's kind of late in the evening. It's 5:53. But I'll just have to come back around probably like 9 o'clock. Y'all, look at my edges from this. And it's only $1. Okay, y'all, so we're just going to do a little recap of the products that I use. So I used the Lusty Olive Oil Hair Mayonnaise. Like I said, I liked it. I feel like it did make my hair soft. There isn't like a wowing factor to it, but it does work. I feel like it really did moisturize my hair. You get a lot for your money. I mean, it's only $1. And you get 8 ounces of product. Like I told you guys, I feel like I could use this one other time so I could get 2 uses out of it, compared to when you buy those little protein packs at the store that you only get 1 use out of. So I definitely would recommend this to you guys. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I will repurchase that again. Moving into the Argan Oil Curl and Wave Twist Shaping Gel. I will not purchase this again. It definitely made my hair feel dry, like really dry. I need to spray my hair, but it did make my hair feel dry and it did flake. The only thing I like about this, that it does give you definition. I kind of messed it up when I sprayed the olive oil sheen on it, but it did give me definition. So I will give it a thumbs up for that, but I would not repurchase the olive oil hair sheen. I would not purchase this again. Right now off the back, I don't like it, but like I said, I feel like it would be a good refresher if you need to refresh your afro. Like if you wake up in the morning, your afro just needs something to help it move. Like if it's smashed on one side and you just need to reshape it, this might be okay for that. But that's pretty much it. I definitely would probably purchase again is the Lusty Shea Butter Edge Gel. I do really like this right off the bat. First impression, you got my edges laying down. But of course, we're going to have to test it out for a little while. And I will come back in a few hours and let y'all know my final thoughts on the edge gel. I will be back in a few hours to, you know, let y'all see my edges and everything like that. Like I said, it is 5:58 p.m. Okay, y'all, so it's been 3 hours because it's 9:05. So, yeah. So this is my edges, and I think they look really good for this product to only be $1. Like, y'all have to let me know what y'all think. I took my bandana off, so excuse me. But I think they look good. They're still laid down, and they're not hard. It's a really, really soft hold, but they're still laid down, as y'all can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed me testing out the Lusty products on my hair, and let me know if you tried them and what you think about them. So in the description box below, I did link the video what I did from the Dollar Tree, which is the Shea Solutions line. I absolutely love that curl stretching cream. So if you want to see how that worked on my hair, be sure to check that video out below. Since then, I have big chopped my hair again, because I know somebody's gonna say, why is your hair still short in that video? I big chopped again since that video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Bye.